Okay, today we're going to go over how to assemble the ECB monster truck chassis for an SCX24 conversion. So you'll need an axial 1/24th scale truck to start with. You're going to use the belly plate, all the suspension arms, transmission, the ESC, the battery, servo. They can all be used from the stock truck. And then the kit includes side chassis, the roof plate, ESC tray, front body mount. These holes are for 3mm mounts, the 1/24 scale body mounts. This is the rear body mount holder, same thing, 3mm. The back roll bar, there's two of those, and the battery plate. So the back mount can go on the battery plate in either direction, however you see fit. I have it on like this. This goes towards the front. There's a different distance between this hole and this hole, so orientation does matter. Your Velcro strap can go through these. The ESC tray is not flat on both sides. One side has a depression to reduce material. Flat side is easiest to put your double-sided tape on. And it'll also come with screws. You have two short screws, 4mm. Those go here, and on the other side here you're going to have 11 on one side and 11 on the other side for a total of 22 of the medium length screws. Those will go from the battery plate to the back mount, the battery plate to chassis, the chassis to the roll bar, chassis to the battery plate, center of the belly plate, both ESC screws, both front mount screws, and the front roof screw. And then you're going to have 6 of the longer screws, the longest. Those can replace, or you can reuse, the axial long screws for the sway bars, or not the sway bars, but the suspension bars, and the roof, because it goes through the roll bar and into the roof, so you need the longer screws for that. All in all, it's pretty durable. I wouldn't put it down a flight of stairs, but I think it's pretty cool. I hope you enjoy it. I hope this video helps you put it together. And thank you for purchasing an ECB 1/24 monster truck chassis.